Are you still using Gemini or ChatGPT? Well, I would say it is time to get out of it right now. Because most of people don't know, Google have a secret engine room that is free as well as paid, and it is actually much more powerful than these standalone apps, for example, as I mentioned, Gemini or ChatGPT. Today I will talk about Google AI Studio. So first of all, let me quickly open it. Simply need to type Google AI Studio and then you will easily find it here. You can think of it as there are so many options available. I mean, this one is much more powerful because you're gonna get ton of customization when we compare it with, let's say, ChatGPT or Gemini app. There are so many models. For example, here you can select the model that you used to do in any other app, but there are other things. For example, a model that is specific to generate image, or you would like to create a conversational voice app. So you're going to see some of optimized dedicated platforms. And then here you can also see the dedicated gallery where we can see people have created apps using Google Gemini 3 Pro, which was recently announced. And this looks really great, guys. This kind of shows the potential that you can generate or can come up with, that you can generate utilizing Gemini. And as this is studio, so you do not need to even copy and paste code. It can create entire environment inside Gemini Studio. It can build everything inside this studio. Therefore, no more Visual Studio Code is needed in this case. Let me quickly show you one such use case where, let's say, I would like to build a Vibe Code Gen AI app. And here, all you need to do is you need to describe your idea. So, for example, I would like to create a website that showcase 3D model of entire solar system. Not only that, I also want it to be more interactive by adding hotspots on those 3D geometries where one can know more about that particular heavenly body. This need to be web app. So this is my prompt, and all I need to do is I need to hit build. And as I was mentioning, you do not need to copy and paste code, or you do not need to go in another environment. It's going to do everything here inside. And then not only you can save this app, but of course you can download it. You can also save it in GitHub. You can directly deploy this app within Google AI Studio. So everything is available within. That's really awesome. Now all we need to do in this case is we need to wait. And then here you can see all these files are automatically being created. You do not need to do anything manual. So you can see here, this is generation ahead any other app like ChatGPT or Gemini. So let's wait for a while till it complete all the steps. And here what we can see is the Gemini is intelligent enough even to fix the error by itself. And there we go, guys. This is our output. Looks quite decent. We can zoom in and zoom out. I can also see the name here. And we need to click on planet to analyze. So let me click on any planet. Here is the Venus. And now here I can see the information about it. Let me click on Jupiter. And again, it's going to provide me the information about it. So it is not exactly the same as I wanted to, but I would say this is awesome, guys. You can always customize it again by providing more feedback. But who could have thought that you're gonna create the entire app in just a single click, and then you do not need to do anything manual. You do not need to worry about like what would be the path moving forward, because it's going to automatically do it for you. Or of course, it's going to provide you customization of you can define which front-end library to use or which state management tool you would like to utilize. So that's the power of this Google AI Studio. And similarly, you can create a conversational voice app, and you also can animate images with Veo. So for that, of course, I need to add an image. I don't know which one I can. Probably the picture of Mona Lisa, because I keep on seeing that particular picture is exploited. I'm just adding this picture here, and now I can ask here to animate the picture, or I don't know what need to be said. Let's see what it come up with. Oh my god, probably this is creating the entire app. So let's wait for a while. Oh, here seems like we have created the entire app. All you need to do is you need to upload the image, but to run this you need an API key, which is kind of paid. In a similar way, you will be finding there are so many other options that probably you may would like to try. So I would suggest you to have a look at Google AI Studio, where you're gonna find out so many other options, making Google AI Studio a true multi-model AI. Because of course you can generate text, code. You also have option for generating speeches, images, and videos. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus, as we keep on bringing these kind of videos to this channel. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.